Very good evening. Today I'm so much happy and in a gleeful mood. Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, every one of you here at our Goregaon venue, MFI and Elements of Success. Today is our 17th video presentation, and today's one of the element of success is etiquettes and manners for professional needs. It's very important, whoever you are. I can see all age group, many faces repeated, many new. Obviously, you are bringing your friends, family members, acquaintances, colleagues, and it's really very fine, energizing, enthusiastic, positive, affirmative to see you all here in our Goregaon MFI and the Elements of Success. 17th video presentation which is going online, and also the lecture seminar, both things we are doing together. Professional etiquettes and manners which are needed for everyone, whoever you may be in any fraternity, dancer, director, executive boss of your own company, in the corporate fields, anywhere, singer, musicians, music composer, arrangers, actor, whoever you may be, a banker, a writer. Professional etiquettes and manners are very different, and which is today needed to be brushed up or to be taken as a training part, to be needed to be trained. It's very important. It is one-to-one interaction, what we talk, what we react, what is our mindset, what is our attitude, how we behave with people in our professional areas, how we feel ourselves, what we take, what we give, what we make balance. These are the manners and etiquettes. After traveling all over the world for a quite long time, and also with personal interaction with my students, one-to-one in groups, in a very higher fraternity, very higher places, also, unfortunately to say, they lack these etiquettes and manners. They really lack. I have seen established people residing in one of the top-notch areas of the city. It's not only in Mumbai. I'm talking this as a generalized factor. They lack manners and etiquettes. What to throw words to others, how to deal with, even the room manners, table manners, professional manners, wishing people, they really lack. They have got fat bank balances. They have got huge cars, many cars. I know people who are my students who are having 12 cars, 13 cars in the city. And you can imagine where they're residing. But still they don't know. I mean, they lack. Whether they know or not know is not the issue. They lack, and to the world what you show, that becomes very pivotal, very important, very significant. What you are, the world is showing. So first impression becomes the last impression. So etiquettes and manners for professional needs are really very important, and we have suggested, we have discussed to keep this in one of our element of success in our total compact of 20 rigorous training researched elements of success. The total gamut, in the total forum, we had kept seriously for professionals, whoever you may be. This is needed and really needed to be successful. It is needed to go ahead. If you don't want to go ahead, that is your problem. But we are here to help you, to share with you, make your life better. Everyone make your life better to the best, and let us make this world a better place to live in. This is our idea, my idea, and MFI, and the elements of success. We together had thought that success cannot be a monopoly for a limited handful of people. Let you all be successful so that we can change this world and our surrounding to a much better place to live in. Thank you for joining. Thank you for our interactive session. You are sitting here, and it goes to the online, and every day we are doing together online, together one-to-one. I'm really privileged, I'm honored, it's my pleasure that whatever bit I know, bit knowledge, I can share it with you, and everyone is coming, inquiring, and everyone is interested. So you people are interested, and so you are here. One of the toughest mind training and confidence building program, this is also included. So thank you once again, and thank you really very much for your presence, and you are taking the interest in our orientation workshop, schedules, training, classes. It is just not a normal class, I said you already before. It's just a total processing things going on to change you all who really need a change to achieve tomorrow, to be successful tomorrow. Thanking you once again to each and everyone. My respect and regards to seniors who have really come, taken the trouble, a long way in the city of Mumbai and attending here the classes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Respect and regards to everyone. On behalf of MFI and the Elements of Success, we are in Goregaon, even in Mumbai city. Thank you once again.